Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD card in your Nintendo Switch OLED. Now, real quick, so the Switch OLED itself has 64 gigabytes internal storage, and there's some things that you can only save to the Switch itself. So this, for example, save files. Save files cannot be put on a micro SD card, but for most stuff like games, DLC, screenshots, and videos, that stuff can be put on the micro SD. Now for the first step, you're going to turn off your Switch and make sure you turn it off completely. So just hold down the button and you're going to go down to power options and turn off. Next, just turn it over and you're just going to bring up the stand. Now for the micro SD card, so this is the front of it and this is the back. So you want the front facing towards you. And you're just going to slide it in right here. So you're just going to push it inwards. And you guys should hear it snap in. Next, you're going to turn back on your Switch. Now you might be asked to apply an update. And if you are, then of course you just apply it. Now this micro SD card I took from my original Switch. I actually got nervous the first time I saw this. Thought it would delete a bunch of my stuff. But this actually is just referring to some of the games and DLC. So it's not referring to like your screenshots, your videos. I mean the games DLC, you guys have to re-download that regardless. Now I'll show you guys right after how to re-download those games. But yeah, you're just going to press delete. Okay, now those screenshots and videos I was talking about are still on here. Now, if you want to re-download your games and DLC, then just go to the eShop. And then you're going to press on your profile. And just go to re-download. And yeah, so from here guys, you see a bunch of stuff from the cloud, so just press on it and it's going to start downloading. Close out of that. Now, final thing, to remove the SIM card, just turn it off. And on the back, just once again, bring up the stand. And you're going to push inwards. So you're pushing to the left and it's going to snap out. And from here, just drag it out. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.